Totally crazy. I'm in a marijuana legal state, you know what I'm saying, right now, man. But I got a question. Well, no, I don't have a question. I got to make a statement to like my boy Kefli Calendar, man. We go back a long ways. I love you, man. I know your uncles and shit, man. And to my white friends and my white family, man, that I don't see no color, man. I love all. I just say things sometimes in a funny way, to get a point across. But back to these Uncle Tom ass niggas, like I was saying. Like, I don't see color, man. If you love somebody, color does not matter, you know what I'm saying? But I'm tired of these niggas giving black men a bad name. And people look at me like, what are you talking about? Blah, 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 blah. This is what I'm talking about. Most niggas that got white girls, they don't got no job. Okay, let me say this first. Most niggas that got white girls, the white girls is fat and ugly. And they're the white girls that the white men don't even want, which is hilarious. Okay? Second of all, if they do got a white bitch that worth something, that look okay, regardless, 9 times out of 10, when you're a young black dude and you got a white girl, it's because you're taking money from her or because she's submissive. Now, I'm not taking nothing away from my white women. Oh, shit. Because I got some white homegirls that I love, that I'm cool with, you know what I'm saying? But we got to keep it 100. Most dudes that got white women take advantage of them. They're submissive. They follow directions. They boss them and mistreat them. And that's real talk, man. That's real. That's real talk. You know what I'm saying? That's what they do. You know what I'm saying? So I'm saying this out my mouth. Most niggas that got white girls are niggas that don't have their own shit. I want you to do this. Besides baby chat. Because I know that nigga had a white girl and he had the Grand National and shit. But I want y'all to tell me, and besides my cousin Juan Salone, you tell me a nigga that got a white girl that had his own money and got with her and helped her out. And they was real and they really in love. I want you to name one nigga, not no superstars, not no rappers or no shit like that. I want people in your community or somebody that we might know. You give me 2 names of some black dudes that when they got with a white girl, not just fucked one and had a baby by him or something like that. I'm talking about a nigga that really got with a white woman and stayed with her, that had his own shit. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not talking about OGs or nothing like that, because some of my OGs got white women, man. Nah, this ain't pointed to them. This ain't no subliminal message or nothing like that. All I'm saying, these young niggas nowadays is dropping fat white bitches off to work, driving their car and shit while they at work, fronting in the hood and all that. So what I'm saying is, name me 2 niggas that got with a white girl because they loved them and they had their own house, their own car, and all of that. I want to see the replies. Because me, I ain't no Uncle Tom ass nigga. And this ain't no race thing, so don't have me fucked up. Because I got white people in my family. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but me personally, no good. You know what I'm saying? And to my white people that's on Facebook, that's my friends, I'm a real dude and I keep it 100 and I speak what's on my mind. I'm not like white people. See, white people will stab you in the back. They'll act like they're cool with you, and at the drop of a dime, they will tell the police on you, they'll flip on you, they'll spaz out. See, that's because they're scared, which they don't have nothing to be scared of. We're all men, you know what I'm saying? It's not the color of you, it's the man that you are. You know what I'm saying? And they portray, they will betray you. A black man, if he don't like you, I'm going to tell you, like, man, I don't fuck with you, man. Get away from me, man. I don't like you. It's straightforward, it's cut to the point. But a white motherfucker, you'll work with him for years. His kids will spend the night over your house. And when he get the time to destroy you or drop the dime on you, that's what will happen. I love a lot of white people. I got white people I kill some niggas for. You know what I'm saying? Real shit. But my Kiana asked me, she said, if a race war go down, what would you do? I said, man, look, I'll kill one of them white motherfuckers as quick as I would a dog, fam. If it came to my family. If I had to put in a position, because put in a position, they would do that to you on petty shit like jaywalking or something. Motherfucking white motherfucker throw you up underneath the bus. I'm for racism, long as you keep it to yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you hate somebody, you stay with people that hate people and you stay totally away from them. Don't smile in my face. Don't work with me. Don't look at me. When people see my tattoo,